A Kapampangan family is never complete without an apo. This shows how precious and dear the elderlies are in their hearts. Apo is a Kapampangan term for grandparents. In some parts of Pampanga, inang and ingkung is used to address their grandparents. They were the ones who nurtured and shared their precious time with the young. That is why they deserve to be cared for in their twilight years. But not all elderly are fortunate to have a complete family or someone who would give the necessary unconditional love.
I am Reverend Father Ricarty Macalino. This institution started in the year 1988. It started in a small house owned by the Nepomucenos by some at least more than 10 elderly rescued from the streets. Then afterwards, because many elderly were being brought to that old house, the Nepomuceno donated this present location to us. So this is inside the Holy Angel Village, Phase 2 and 3 in Barangay Talabastagan, City of San Fernando, Pampanga. Since then, it developed. The previous directors developed it by building more wards for the Lola, the infirmary, the office building, and also our oratory, the chapel, wherein we celebrate the celebration of the Mass and all the sacraments for the Lolos and Lolas.
House of Love is how Bahay Pagibig was born. A community and an apostolate that shares the feeling of being home. A safe haven that serves love to those who loved us first.
Marion D. Makatantan. I work here at Bahay Pagibig as social worker. I've been working in Bahay Pagibig for 10 years. We have in all 53 lolos and lolas. The eldest is 92 years old and the youngest is 60. Challenges working in Bahay Pagibig is when a certain lolo or lola pass away. Because it's so sad on the part of us because we are one big family, and it's so sad to think that a lolo and a lola pass away because he or she is an abandoned and it's so lonely.
To meet their special needs, Bahay Pagibig provides a decent environment and adequate facilities.
Since Bahay Pagibig is a home for the abandoned elderly, of course, we have our dormitories and we call it ward. We have this St. Clair ward, we have the St. Teresa ward, and we have the St. Francis ward. We also have isolation room wherein we place the lolos or the lolas that sometimes shows or displays behavioral. So we place them then. And of course, we have the admin. We have the conference room, the office of the social worker. And we have, of course, our kitchen. And what is very much important is that we have an infirmary wherein we place a lolo or a lola that encounters ailment.
Through the years, Bahay Pagibig has faced many challenges. But this has not stopped the volunteers and staff to continue their mission in service for the elderly.
Basically, we continue to serve the lolos and the lolas through people's donation, either in kind or in cash or in checks. So this is under the diocese, but we were not getting any monetary support from the diocese. So we run from ourselves through people's donations. So that's why I always say to people that Bahay Pagibig is a clear manifestations of God's generosity, because many people come here to donate and help our elderly in order for us to support them physically, in their medical needs, in their basic home needs, and also psychological and spiritual.
In 2018, Bahay Pagibig celebrated their 30th anniversary. This is a testament of God's unceasing love and grace.
To all of our viewers, I am inviting you to visit us here in Bahay Pagibig in order to see our institution, especially our mission of helping the lolos and the lolas to give them their basic needs, especially medical, emotional, spiritual, and psychological. And I'm inviting also generous people to help us in continuing this mission.
For inquiries and donations, visit us at Bahay Pagibig Home for the Aged, Holy Angel Village, Barangay Talabastagan, City of San Fernando, Pampanga.